Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to our science class. Clear? My voice is clear to you? Akshit Kumar, Deepak, Nikhil. Very good, Nikhil. You did not have shirt, Nana. Shirt leda niku. Is it right way to join the class? First, close your video. Close your video and wear dress and come. My God. Okay. Yeah. All are waiting for the class, right? Soumya, show me your response, Nana. Just yes, Dikshita. Okay. Yeah, you are ready to class. Sri Varshini, please sit, Nana. Don't move. Are you going for signal? Searching for signal? Sri Varshini. Sunita. Adiba. Krish. Okay, very good. Very good. Sweta. Ayan is not there in the class. Okay. Now I am moving back to the lesson. Before going to start the lesson, I want to ask you a few questions, whether you are listening or not. Yeah, Sushrit, unmute yourself. Sushrit, unmute yourself. I know you are there in the class. Please unmute yourself. Once again, K. Sushrit. Click on your mic, Sushrit. No response from Sushrit. Okay. Yeah. Children, what is the lesson name? Separation of substances. In separation of substances, we are learning methods of separation of substances, isn't it? In methods of separation of substances, I have explained some methods. What are those methods? Actually, I forgot. Once I want to remember. So, who will tell me? Yeah, Akshit Kumar, unmute. Thank you. Thank you so much, Akshit, for your quick response. Thank you so much for your quick response. Akshit Kumar, can you just tell me that? What are the methods of separation of substances that I have explained in the class, please?
Hand picking,
Hand picking,
winnowing,
winnowing.
sedimentation,
Very good. Sedimentation.
and decantation,
Very good. Decantation.
and sieving and
Very good. Sieving. Very good.
filterization,
Filtration. Okay. Very good.
winnowing. Ma'am,
Winnowing completed. Yesterday. What are the yesterday's topic?
ma'am, I had absent yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. Good boy. Mute yourself, Nana. Good. Very good. Very good student. See, like that you have to give quick response. Yeah, Farhan, mute yourself, unmute yourself now, Nana. Click on your mic. Yeah, good boy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Nana. Good afternoon.
Sorry. Yes.
How are you?
Yes,
How are you?
I am fine.
You are fine. Very good. Now, Akshit explained some of the methods of separation, right?
Yes.
Then yesterday he is absent to school. Yesterday
Yes,
he is absent to school. He said he is absent to the class. So please could you remind me that yesterday what I explained in the class? I forgot. Yesterday what I thought I forgot. Could you please remind me? Look at the screen, Nana. Look at me. Hi, Farhan. Ichudu. Tell me
Yes.
that. Yes, Nana. Answer me. Yesterday, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me yesterday what I thought.
Ma'am, but I am in half class only.
You are in
Half class only.
half class only. Okay, half class. What
Yes.
I explained.
There
Half
was
class.
phone problem.
Okay, no problem. In half class, what I thought that you tell.
Filtration, crystallization,
Very good.
chromatography.
I did not explain chromatography. I did not start the topic only. Yeah, okay. There is some signal problem for Farhan. Okay, thank you very much, Farhan, for your quick response. Have your notebook with you? Show me one. Show me your notebook.
I not start class work, ma'am.
You not start class. Parents is there.
Yes.
Show me your pair notes, Nana.
Five.
Is there with
Yesterday
you?
only brought, ma'am.
Very good. Yesterday only brought. Then
Yes.
when are you going to start your pair notes, Nana? Already seventh lesson is going to finish. Okay, okay. When are you going to write your pair notes, beta? Okay, your friends already started writing pair notes. Okay. Okay, thank you. So some
In
signal.
2-3 days I will show, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Mute yourself now. So children, let me start screen share. Then I am moving on to the lesson. See children, today I am going to explain about some more methods of separation of substances. In that I am going to explain about sublimation. See, look at the picture. What is sublimation and how to do this activity I will explain. Children, to do this activity you need a cotton, funnel, china dish, burner and stand. I know that these materials will not be available. Manvik, please reduce the sound. Okay, Nana. So these materials are not available in home, I know. These are all lab materials, Nana. You don't worry. Just for your understand purpose, I'll explain you. To do this activity, you understand. Suppose if they ask draw the diagram of sublimation, you have to draw this structure, Nana. You have to draw like this cotton, funnel, china dish, burner, stand, etc. Procedure I will explain. Suppose they may ask explain the procedure of sublimation with a diagram. If they ask, you have to draw this. Okay. Now, to do this activity, you need camphor, Nana. What is camphor actually, you know? Camphor means that Harati Karpura Billalu untai kada Nana, avi. Okay. How to do this activity, I will tell. Take the mixture of camphor, okay, or camphor powder Okay, you have to add this in the china dish and cover the funnel. This is called funnel, Nana. This is called funnel. Cotton petting chudandi adi funnel ikkada. This area below this is called, this total is called a funnel. Funnel ante oka tube laga untundi kada. Okay, now close the tube with the funnel with the cotton and place the dish on the stand and heat with the burner. You have to heat it. So what happens after heated? When the camphor is heated, it transforms into a liquid, okay, or directly it changes to the gases form. First it changes into the liquid, Nana. First it will be melt, then it will move into the gas. After it cools down, it will become solid. I think everybody understand. The process which a substance change direct from solid to gases form, and it is called a sublimation. Children, see, when you lit the candle, for example, when you lit the candle, what happens? You will notice some smoke and fire. Okay, then you will observe that the wax is started melting and falling down from the candle. And after it melts, go on burning, burning, burning. What happens, Nana? Finally, the fire will put off. Then what will you notice? The wax will be in the form of liquid form. It will melt, and finally at the end part you will notice there is some solid wax will be there at the bottom of the place wherever you arranged. Okay, understood, children? Now what is the sublimation? The process which a substance changes direct from solid to gases is called sublimation. Clear? Now I am moving on to next activity is the chromatography. Nana, it is also very important for you. So see this chromatography. I have a chalk piece with me. I will try to show you, but I don't know whether it works or not because I did not have a big chalk piece. I have a small piece. See children, first we have to take the chalk piece. Okay, you have chalk pieces now at home. So take a full big long chalk piece and mark the chalk piece with any color of marker. Clear? Then you have to take some water in the plate or a bowl, but only some amount of water you have to take. And you have to place the chalk piece in the water like this. Remember that the water should not touch the color, I mean marking place. You have to wait for some time and just observe what happens to the color. Now before I have shown the color, Nana, of chalk piece. Now see how the color is spreading. Children, can you see how is the color of the chalk piece, Nana? Same? Or there is any change in the color of the chalk piece? See, Nana, look at the chalk piece, how the color is spreaded. So hope you understand this. Understood? Children, show me a thumbs up. How many of you understood about how to do this chromatography activity? Take one chalk piece. Amulya? Very good. Thank you, Amulya. And very good, Akshit. Deepak, thank you very much. You have to take a long chalk piece. Okay. I did not have Nana long chalk piece. Actually, I purchased, but my son broken into pieces. I want to explain with the full chalk piece, but no problem. Anyhow, yeah, it's okay, Deepak. Deepak, thank you, Bangaru. Okay, Nana, you have to mark with the color, any color, and you pour water as I have shown you, and you should insert the chalk piece in the water. Remember, the water should not touch the marking line. మీ వాటర్ అనేది మార్కింగ్ లైన్ ని టచ్ కావద్దు. ఆ వాటర్ వాటంతట అవే అబ్జర్వ్ కావాలి. ఓకే, now I'll explain the process how to do this. Already you understood. Okay, take a whole stick of white chalk piece and you have to mark around as shown in the picture. Then mark chesanu kada indaka. Now pour some of the water in the plate. Okay, Nana. Ensure that the water in the plate is very little and it does not touch the ink mark. Children, ఇందాక నేను చూపించిందేనా ఏదైనా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉందా ఇక్కడ? సేమ్. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఫైనల్లీ, you have to remove the chalk piece when before water reaches its top. వాటర్ అనేది పైనకు వచ్చేటప్పుడే మీరు చాక్ పీస్ తీసేసేయాలి. I removed. So what happens? The color will be spread into the whole chalk piece. Children, yes or no? So the ink will be appear to be made a single color, but it actually a mixture of many colors hidden in it. See children, నేను ఇందాక బ్లాక్ తో చేశాను, but it changes into another color. Okay children, there are some mixture of colors are hidden in the same component. So this method is the example of chromatography, Nana. So example of chromatography, you understand this activity? Clear children? Still any doubt? So I will repeat this again. So hope everybody are clear. Now separation of different materials from the mixture. How can we separate different materials from one mixture? So I will explain. Take a mixture of sand, dust and salt in a beaker, half filled with water, and stir it well and allow undisturbed place for 10 minutes. What you observe this already I explained, Nana, in the sedimentation process. So almost the lesson is completed, Nana. The lesson total completed. Once I wanted to give you recap what we have learned in this lesson. Okay children, we have learned about various methods involved in the separation of substances. Okay, substances can be separated from the mixture. Okay, what are the methods? Hand picking, sieving, winnowing, chromatography, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, crystallization, distillation. So these are all methods of separation of substances. Okay, yes or no? If mixtures have light or heavy substances, winnowing can be used for separation also, I explained. Children, still you have any doubt in the lesson, you can ask me. Now it is the time for you. Now till 20 minutes time is there, no problem. So Deepak, Nana, once again I want to ask you the question. If you have any doubt in the lesson, you ask me. Deepak want to ask. Children, raise your hands. I will write down the names of the students who want to talk to me. First, number one, Deepak. Next, Deepak. Yeah, I am noting down the names of the students. Deepak. Only Deepak have doubt. Rest of the children are very clear. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Deepak. If I give a chance for Can I give a chance for mute all, Nana? Unmute all. But you should not unmute. No, it's not like. Deepak, unmute yourself. Only Deepak is asking me always. Deepak,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
what is your doubt?
Ma'am, after we marked the chalk piece, no, ma'am. In that
Yes.
last, what will happen, ma'am?
See, I will show you now. What happened to the chalk piece, I will show you. What happened to the chalk piece? You only explain now. What happened to the chalk piece? What did you notice? Actually, I marked it with a black color.
It changed another color.
Another color, but how it came, Nana? The line same like that only, or it spread?
Spread it, teacher.
And spread, and some of the color also is changed. Yes. So this result you will get when you do this activity. See some light red color. Yes.
I am also doing this activity, teacher.
Very good. Now this only your doubt. Can I mute you?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. Now not only Deepak, still anybody have any doubt, children? Yeah, Shri Yukta, sorry. Shri Yukta Sana. Yeah, okay. I will give you a chance, beta. Shri Yukta. Shri Yukta, where are you? Yeah, who is that? I am not getting your name, Nana. And one more. What is your spelling, Nana? Wait, let me see once. Yeah, still who is raising the hand? Shri Yukta and one more. Aisha. Okay, SHRE. Okay, fine. SHRE. Yeah, now you can. Now unmute, Nana. Shri Yukta.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nana.
ma'am, did the chalk piece totally fill it with the color or some of the place?
No, Nana, how much the water, it depends on absorption of water, Nana. Just you do one thing, take a chalk piece and mark it and place it in the water for some time and remove and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you observe what happens to the chalk piece and show me in the next class.
Ma'am, okay.
Yeah, what happens? The result will come. The chalk piece, the color will be spread into the chalk piece. Depends on the absorption of water, and also color also will be changed a little. Now I did with the black color, but it's slightly showing that light orange and red color also I have noticed on the chalk piece.
Yes.
Okay. Shri Yukta, still any doubts? You can ask me.
Ma'am, no.
Clear? Everything is clear?
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah. Show me your pair notes, Nana. Are you writing pair notes? Started writing pair notes?
Ma'am, yes.
Very good. Started writing pair notes?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Show me last lesson, Nana. I mean 6th lesson heading. Show me once. All of you observe Sri Yukta. How she show, Nana.
Ma'am.
If the book is not there with you, it's okay. Is there with you? Show me.
Ma'am, I only completed 4th lesson.
Yeah, why only 4th lesson? Animals, what do animals eat?
Ma'am, yes.
Then did you started writing of keywords from lesson 7?
Ma'am, yes.
Keyword did you write? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Sriyukta. Nice talking to you. Still some children are raising hand.
Ma'am, thank you.
Yeah, welcome, Nana. Yeah, Nikita, unmute. Nikita, unmute.
మేడం
Yeah, what is your doubt?
మేడం మీరు ఆ ఇంక్ మార్క్ వాటర్ లో ఆనొద్దన్నారు కదా మేడం.
I'm not understanding your question, ma. Once repeat again.
మీరు చాక్ పీస్ కి ఇంక్ మార్క్ పెట్టారు కదా మేడం,
Yes.
అది వాటర్ లో ఎందుకు ఆనొద్దు మేడం?
ఎందుకు అనొద్దు అంటే when it touch to the water we can't get the result. Okay, one question I have, Nana. Your mother will take tea.
ఎస్ మేడం.
Your mother will drink tea. Yes.
ఎస్ మేడం.
What she will do? How to prepare tea? Once you tell me. We have to add some milk, some water, tea powder, sugar. That's all.
దట్స్ ఆల్
Then
మేడం.
next, what is the next process? We have to put on stove. Then what mother will do after? The tea is ready now. Tea is ready to serve. She will boil the tea. Why she need to boil the tea? That is my question. Why she don't add all tea powder, sugar, water, milk, and why don't she filter it directly? First clarify my doubt, Nana. Why she need to boil the tea? ఎందుకు బాయిల్ చేయాలి టీని?
టీ పౌడర్ ఆ వాటర్ లో పాలలో మిక్స్ కావాలని మేడం.
టీ పౌడర్, షుగర్ వాటర్ లో మిక్స్ అవ్వడానికి. Again, why she will separate again? She will do something. Yeah, okay. Mix అయింది. She on the stove, so it takes 1-2 minutes time to boil. Okay. After boiling the tea, again she will use a strainer to remove some solid particles. Why she need to remove it? Why she need to remove? Why don't she drink directly that total mixture? So Nikita, yeah, the tea powder contains some of the solid dust particles. Okay, that must be removed from the tea. So why tea need to boil means to get flavor. Okay, if we boil means only we will get the flavor of the tea powder and sugar. Okay, so same like that only chromatography means the chalk piece, when we mark the color, it should not touch the water level, because when it touches we will not get the proper result. Nothing happens. ఏమి కాదు, కాకపోతే రిజల్ట్ అనేది రాదు. When it does not touch, the water will observe the color, so we will notice the exactly result we will see. Okay, Nikita? Thank you. So Nikita, can you read the lesson for me? Read once. Chromatography. Open page number 70. Open page number 70 and read activity 7. Only 3 lines. Only 3 lines. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Nikita. I can't hear your voice. Okay, Nikita is not ready to read the lesson. It's okay. Now still any doubts, Nana? Still any doubts? Shweta, Sushrit. Okay, Sushrit. Sushrit, unmute, Nana.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Sushrit, what is your doubt, Nana?
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what we
Your
guide,
voice is stuck.
ma'am, if they ask what is the definition of chromatography, what should we write?
What should
Ma'am?
we write for chromatography? Definition you want.
Definition of chromatography. Ma'am.
Separation of color from the mixture is called chromatography. Okay? Very good. Now, still anybody have any doubt? Megamsh. Megamsh is asking me. Yeah, Megamsh Bangaram, unmute yourself, Nana.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Had your lunch?
No, ma'am.
Oh, why, Nana? Already it is 2-3. Okay, fine, fine. What is your doubt? Ask me.
If we can't mark, we only mark a black sketch or other sketches.
Any color you can use.
Okay, ma'am.
With any color you can try. You will get the proper result and you will enjoy by doing this activity. Not only this, you can do the sublimation, segmentation. Next, okay. This all you can do, Nana.
Ma'am won't say about, I forgotten, ma'am. Submentation of camper can.
Okay, camphor. Okay, okay. Anna, nothing, you know, camphor, when you burn, mummy harati istadu kada intlo.
Yes, ma'am.
When she will give harati, what happens to the camphor, Nana?
It is total black color, change to black color.
Yeah, it is a solid first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, all of you, Megam asked me this doubt that he did not understand the sublimation process. Very good. Nana, everybody know the camphor. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is first before we lit the camphor, it is a solid, it is in solid form. But when we lit after for some seconds, it becomes evaporates in the gaseous form. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then when you lit the candle also, see, when you lit the candle, it started burning. When it started burning, the wax will be melt in the form of liquid. And when it contact to the air, it will become solid again. When it falls on our hand, we will get burn. We feel hot. And after few seconds, when it contact to the air, it will become solid and there is some of the mark we will notice on our finger. Okay, thank you, Megamsh. Still there are some other participants are raising the hand. Okay, thank you very much. Still, who is this? Yeah, Shweta. Shweta got chance, I think. Still, who did not get chance? Rajasri never caused me doubt. Rajasri, Z Rajasri or yeah, Rajasri, once unmute yourself, Nana. Rajasri, yeah, thank you, Rajasri. Nana, explain about the chromatography. This Harish is moving here and there. Harish. Yeah, Rajasri, explain about chromatography, Nana. Bhavya, don't eat nails. Bhavya, nails tinaku. Okay. Rajasri, explain, Nana. Rajasri, explain about chromatography. Again muted. Yeah, I know. You are wantonly you mute, I know. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, Nikhil, unmute. Nikhil, unmute yourself. Nikhil, click on your mic. Nikhil, time up only last 2 minutes. Nikhil, again you try. He closed the video and yeah. Nikhil, on your video. Nikhil, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Okay, fine. Nikhil, Nikhil, talk to me, Nikhil. What happened? Again, you are muted. You should not touch the mic icon once I given chance. Yeah, it's okay. Again, he muted. Okay, Nana, no problem. Yeah, children, lesson completed. So, now this 1 minute, I want to give you instruction that write the lesson name. All of you listen. How to write fair notes again, I am instructing you. Write the lesson name. Write question time or answer the following questions. Write various methods of separation of substances and then questions are there at the end of the lesson. Okay, those questions you try to find the answers, write very neatly in the fair notes. And you have to read the total lesson 2 times. Who is that? Mute yourself, Nana. Yeah. Read the lesson. And this crystallization and distillation is very, very important. Compulsory that type of questions will come in the exam. So please complete the fair notes up to lesson 7. Okay, children. And write the keyword 3 times and read well. Nana, any subject, any teacher, after they explain, you have to read 2 to 3 times. Then only you will be able to understand the concept until there is a question mark. 2 to 3 times you have to read. Once I give a chance for Sweta is raising hand. Yeah, Sweta. Unmute, Amma. Click on your mic. Yeah, Sweta, tell me what you want. Sweta.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Sweta. Very good afternoon. Ask me your doubts, Sweta.
Madam, you say yesterday salt sea. That's only my doubt, teacher.
What I explained is salt.
Yesterday
How?
you explained, teacher.
What I explained yesterday.
Madam, salt sea water.
Yeah, salt is extracted from the sea water, Amma. The sea water, they will take sea water in the salt pans. వాళ్ళకి సాల్ట్ ప్యాంట్స్ లాగా ఒక ఏరియా ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ దట్ దే విల్ టేక్ సమ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సీ వాటర్. దట్ సీ వాటర్ ఈజ్ exposed to the sun. Exposed అంటే ఏంటి? సన్ ఎండ తగలడం వల్ల exposed to the sun and contact of the air, it will be the water will be get evaporated and the crystals will be formed at the bottom of the salt pans. That rocks will be sent into the factories or some of the various machineries. There we can get different brands of salt is available in the market. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Children, nice talking to you all. I hope you all enjoy the class. Children, bye, Nana. Time up. Okay. Sir, can I leave the class?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all? So, welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. So today we are going to discuss about measures of lines and angles. Okay. Chapter 5. So the name of the chapter is Measures of Lines and Angles. Okay. In previous class, we have completed chapter 4, the basic geometrical ideas. So today, the new chapter, we are going to start measures of lines and angles. Okay. Okay. In previous chapter, we have discussed what is line and what is angle. Okay. What is line and what is angle. Okay. So today, in this chapter, so we are going to discuss how to measure the lines and angles. How to measure the lines and angles. Okay, children. So first of all, once again, we will discuss what is line and what is angle. So observe the board carefully. So what is line and what is angle we get. So first of all, we know what is line segment. Okay, clearly on that day we have discussed by showing pencil. So about line segment. Okay, children. So what is line segment? If there are two end points, it is called line segment. Okay. So if there are two end points, it is called line segment. Suppose here the end point is A and here end point is B. So if there are two end points, it is called a line segment. Okay. And if there is only one end point, that is called a ray. Here O is the end point, but here there is no end point. So this is called a ray. Okay, if there is only one end point, it is called a ray. And if there is two end points, it is called a line segment. Okay, line segment it is. And if there is no end point, suppose like this, two sides arrow mark is there. So two sides arrow mark is given means for this line there is no end point. Okay, so here we can extend endlessly. So here also we can extend endlessly. There is no ending point. Okay, so this is called line. Suppose if we mark 2 points on this line A and B, so we call this line AB. Okay, we call this line AB. Symbolically we write as line AB. Okay, so this is the line. So line is nothing but if there are no end points, it is called a line. Okay, so one end point have means it is ray. Two end points are there means it is line segment. So no end points. If there are no end points, it is called line. Okay, and next angles. So already we have discussed what is angle and where the angles will form. Okay, so when we draw two rays, suppose O is the initial point. From this initial point, we have O is the initial position, and we have drawn a ray OA. And when we draw one more ray OB, two rays we have drawn. Okay, so for these two rays, here one end point O is there. O is the one end point. So it means corner. So angles will form at the corner. Okay, the angles will form at the corner. Right? So in this chapter, we are going to discuss how to measure the lines and how to measure the angles. Okay, in previous chapter, we have discussed about lines and angles. In this chapter, we are going to discuss how to measure the lines and how to measure the angles. Okay, so generally, if you want to measure a line or line segment, what will you use? Amulya, can you say? Amulya, please unmute yourself. Suppose you are measuring the edge of your book. What will you use? What instrument you will use? Amulya, can you hear me? Okay. Lasya, please unmute yourself. Lasya, please unmute yourself. Lasya, can you hear my voice? Yes, Megams, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Megams. Suppose you want to measure the textbook, math textbook length. So what will you use to measure the textbook?
Scale, sir.
Very good. So generally, we will use the scale to measure the textbook, edge of the textbook or edge of the blackboard, something. Okay. So do you know how to measure with scale?
Yes, sir.
So in the scale, how many points will located?
30.
All of you, please take your scale. All of you immediately take your scale. So observe the scale carefully. So all of you take scale and observe the scale carefully. So how many points are located there on the scale?
50 or 15 or 30, 30, sir.
Okay, if it is big scale means
30.
the points are located 30. If it is small scale means
15.
15 points are located. Okay, so that points are called what we call them, the points. It means the points are located in centimeters or meters or kilometers.
Centimeters, sir.
Very good. The points are located in centimeters. Okay. So each point divided again how many parts? See in middle small lines, how many lines are there? Count the lines.
In, sir.
How many lines are there in middle?
10.
10 lines are there. Okay. So each point divided into 10 points again. Okay. So the 10 points are called millimeters. See here, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1. So from distance between from 0 to 1, it is called 1 cent. This distance is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, this distance is equal to 1 centimeter. So between this 0 and 1, it is divided 10 parts. Okay, so these 10 parts are called millimeters. Okay, these 10 parts are called millimeters.
Meters.
Okay, children, did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
So here the bigger numbers which are located on the scale, so they are called, it means they are in centimeters. So between them smaller lines are there, they are in millimeters. Okay, children, here see it is given about the scale. Okay, see. A ruler or scale is divided into 15 big parts as marked along one of its edges. Each of these 15 parts of the length 1 centimeter. Okay, so each and every number length is equal to 1 centimeter, and each centimeter is divided into 10 parts again, and each subpart is 1 millimeter, that is equal to 1 mm. Okay, so the distance between each and every number is equal to 1 centimeter. So between the numbers, smaller lines are given. Each centimeter is divided again 10 parts. So the 10 parts are called millimeters. Okay. Now observe this figure carefully. Here one line segment has drawn. Okay. So can you say what is the length of this line segment?
4.5 centimeters.
Very good. Already it here mentioned here. This length
Yes,
is 4.5 centimeters. So how will you identify 4.5? How will you identify the length 4.5? How will you show in scale? On scale this 4.5. Parinita, please unmute yourself. How will you show 4.5 on the scale? First of all, you will measure up to 4. 4.5 means how you will take? How you will take 4.5 means? See, between 4 and 5, one big line is there in the middle. See, between 4 and 5, one line is there middle, fifth line. So that is 4.5. Okay. Suppose if you want to say about 4.2, suppose the line segment length 4.2 is there. So how you will say 4.2 means? So 4.2 means 4 after you have to count 2 lines. Smaller lines is there no. So 2 smaller lines you have to count. 4 after two lines, 1, 2, smaller line, 2 lines. Upon 2 lines, we have to find. Okay, children. 4.3 means 3 lines we have to count, smaller lines. Okay, 4.6 means 4 after 6 lines you have to count. Okay, children. So this is the way of measuring the line segments. And so when we are measuring the line segments, if we see properly, then only we can measure correctly, exactly. But sometimes we will do mistake while measuring. See here, what other errors can you find while measuring the length of the line segment? Okay, see children here, for example, observe this figure. Okay, if we see the length, see here pencil is given, the length of the pencil is measuring here. Okay, the length of the pencil is measuring. If we see the length of the pencil, when we put the pencil on the scale, okay, so here it is showing exactly 2 centimeters. Okay, it is showing exactly 2 centimeters. If we see exactly from right eye, it will show 2 centimeters. But if we see from side or left side or right side, it will show some more. Okay, so it like this. Sometimes when we are measuring the line segments or any object with the scale, sometimes we will do mistake here. So that mistake only here saying that to find the length of your pencil, the eye should be correctly positioned as shown in the figure. That is just vertically above the mark for the both points. Otherwise, there may be an error due to angular viewing. Okay, when we see correct eye vertically position, then only we can measure and we can identify correct length. Otherwise, there may be get error. Okay, then what is solution? Okay, what is solution for this? So to avoid this problem later away is to use a divider. Okay, we will use the device. Use the scale, then we can measure exactly without any error. Okay, so let us use divider to measure exact measurement, right? So open the divider, place the end point of one of its arm at A, open it till the end point of the second arm is placed at B. Okay, see here we open the divider. Okay, so one end point you keep on A and another one you keep on B. Okay, lift the divider carefully without disturbing the opening of the divider. What is the length of line segment AB? Now measure this divider, put on the scale, and you now see the length, how much is there, that AB length. Then you can find out exactly. Okay, so like this, sometimes when we are measuring the line segments or any objects by scale, so by seeing that measurements, we will get some errors. So to avoid that errors, if we use divider instead of scale, so we can find the length of the object exactly without any error. Okay, children. So this is the way of measuring the lines or line segments. Now all of you open exercise 5.1. So based on this exercise 5.1 problems are there. So exercise 5.1, see the first question. Give any 5 examples of line segment observed in your classroom. Once all of you remember your classroom. Once you imagine your classroom, or you see in your house. So what you have to see? 5 examples we have to see of line segment. So which are in the shape of line segment. Okay. Okay, which are in the shape of line segments. Line segment means there will be two end points. If there are two end points, it is called line segment. Okay. So line segment objects. So observe in your house, I am giving 2 minutes of time you. In this 2 minutes of time, 5 objects you have to collect and bring with you. Take with you. Okay, 5 line segment objects. Here one example is given. Edge of blackboard is given. Edge of the blackboard is the best example for line segment. Edge of the blackboard. So again, you think over in your house or in your classroom. What can you say? Example of line segment. I am going to ask one by one. 2 minutes time I am giving to you. So observe the things in your house, and when I ask you, you say the answer. Okay. Your time is up. Now I am going to ask the questions. What you have collected. Be ready, children. So first question for Fatima Samin. Fatima Samin, please unmute yourself. Fatima, what things you observed? Examples of line segments. Please unmute yourself, Fatima.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Fatima. Tell what what
good
things, what
afternoon.
objects you observed. Example of line segments.
Sir, edge of duster,
Very good. Again,
pen,
yes.
scale,
Scale, very good.
pencil.
Very good, Fatima. You are absolutely right. So these are all examples of line segments. Edge of the duster, edge of the scale, okay, edge of the pencil. Okay. So these are all examples of line segments. Again, the next question I am going to ask Sana. Is this Sana? Please unmute yourself. Sana. Please unmute, girl. Is this Sana? Sana Nizwana. Can you hear my voice? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Say what examples you collected?
Sir,
What objects you have collected?
edge of window,
Edge of the window, very good.
edge of the book,
Edge of the book, very good.
edge of the pad,
Okay, edge of the pad, very good.
Sir, can I say?
Who is that?
Megams.
Megams. Okay, Megams. Say
Edge of the door,
yes.
edge of the mirror,
Edge of the mirrors, okay.
edge of the cupboard,
Okay,
edge of the bed,
okay.
edge of the
edge of the
scale,
duster.
Very good. Very good, boy. So, very good, children. So, you might have, you observe that these are all examples of line segments. So, that examples, what did you observe? That examples you write there. First question answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what objects you observe there? That examples you write for the, that answer you write for the first question. Okay. Now, second question. Second question, see, why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while comparing two line segments? Question is asking, why is it better to use a divider than ruler while comparing two line segments? Just now we have discussed it. Okay. Sometimes when we are measuring the line segments by scale, so by seeing our eyes, if we see properly, then only we can measure exactly. But sometimes we may get error. Okay, so to avoid that error, we will use the divider. Okay, so that right for second answer. Okay, Just now I have shown now here.
We draw the line segment in the figure given below and arrange them in ascending order.
Okay, children. Here, think and discuss. Down is there, no? This answer you write. Okay. What other errors can you find while measuring the length of line segment? Okay. So for example, from here you write. From here to.
For example, sir.
From here to here. To
Okay,
avoid
sir.
this problem, a better way to use a divider. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here for example, from here to here. Just now we have discussed on this. Second answer you write from here to here. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Now see third answer. Third question. Measure all the line segments in the figure given below and arrange them in ascending order of their lengths. Okay, here one line segment is given. Here measure all the line segment. Already here measure and here given. So we have to measure them and we have to write that answer. Okay. Now see, all of you
Sir.
look at the board. The figure is given. Okay, children. The figure is given like this. The points are given A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This you don't take. Now here the line segments are given. Line segments. Line segments are given. AB. Next to
AC.
AC given. AD
AD.
given.
AE,
AE,
AE given.
BC,
BC,
BC given.
BD,
BD.
CD,
BE,
After BE given.
CD,
CD given.
EC,
CE,
CE. Last one.
DE,
DE.
D.
Now measure first of all AB length. Take the scale and measure this AB distance. How much is there? Tell fastly. AB distance. How much is there? Measure and say immediately. Let us see who will say the answer first. Measure this AB distance and tell how much length is there. Immediately, quickly.
2,
You measure in your textbook. Your textbook diagram is there, no?
yes, sir.
That you measure it. How many centimeters are there?
2,
2 centimeters are there. This AB distance, it is equal to 1 centimeter will be. 2 will not. Okay. AB distance, it is 1 centimeter. If AB 1 centimeter, Lasya, can you please say? Lasya, please unmute yourself. B Lasya. Please unmute yourself and say the answer. AB length, how much is there?
Sir, that 1 centimeter, sir.
1 centimeter, very good. If AB length 1 centimeter, then AC length how much will be?
Sir. 2.
2 centimeters. Very good. Why? Because AB is single, AC means double, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. The same way, AD how much will be?
3 centimeters.
Yes, 3 centimeters. Very good. Now AE length how much will be?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Very good. And BC length?
5.
BC 1 centimeter.
BC, B and C, this.
5.
1
Five.
centimeter.
BC, C, B and C. BC length
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Next, Adiba, please unmute yourself. Adiba. Adiba, BD length.
2 centimeters.
How much BD length?
3 centimeters.
2 centimeters. Very good. And what is the length of BE?
2 centimeters. 1 centimeter.
BE length. What is the length of BE?
BE.
3 centimeter.
Yes, 3 centimeters. See, BE means how many are there? Middle? See, this 1, 2, 3 centimeters.
3
Okay.
centimeters.
Next, CD length
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. CD after next, what is there? CE length. What is CE
2
length?
centimeters.
2 centimeters. Very good. And what is DE length?
1 centimeters.
1 centimeter. Okay, these are this we measured and we written them. So he is saying that again what he asked again, write them in ascending order. Ascending order is asking here.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Ascending order. So write them in ascending order.
sir means 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter like that, sir.
Ascending order.
Ascending.
Okay. So write what ascending order will come for them?
1 centimeter. 2, 3, 4 centimeters, sir.
Okay, already we know what is ascending order. The longest line is asking here. What is longest line? So if we write in ascending order, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and
4 centimeters.
this is the ascending order. Okay. Now what is the longest line segment? Longest
4 centimeters.
AE is equal to 4 centimeter.
Longest lines.
once you
4
observe it,
centimeters.
in the given all measurements, which is more highest long is that this is AE is highest
4
is there.
centimeters.
Is
So the longest
longest.
AE. Okay, the longest line segment is AE. That is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Right. In the same way, now let us see the next question.
Yes, sir.
Here see the fourth question. Midpoint of AB is located by Sweta and Reshma like this. Okay. Sweta is located like this, midpoint of AB, and Reshma is located like this. Which one do you feel correct? Measure the lengths of AC and CB.
Reshma, sir.
Reshma, sir.
Who is correct?
Reshma, sir.
Reshma.
Reshma is correct. Why? Can you say reason?
Reshma.
Reshma, sir.
Reshma, sir.
Exact
Okay.
correct point, sir.
Reshma is correct.
Exact midpoint, sir.
Why? Because she located the point C exactly in middle. No?
Midpoint.
Yes, sir.
So Reshma is correct. So again he is asking AC and CB length.
Sweet.
CB.
AC and
1 centimeter,
CB
sir.
length she is asking.
Sir,
AC and CB
AC
length is equal to
Sweta.
AC 2.
1.5 centimeter.
Reshma 1.5.
And
1.5 centimeters.
and here AC length is
1.7 centimeters, sir.
Sir, Sweta.
Sir, Shweta.
1.7 centimeters, sir.
Wow.
so according to Sweta, this AC AC length is 1 centimeter. CB length is
2 centimeters.
okay according to Sweta.
2.
But according to Reshma, both are same. AC
1.5 centimeters, sir.
1.5 centimeters. And
1.5 centimeters.
CB length also 1.5 centimeters. Okay, children.
Centimeter.
Now, next problem see each of the figures given along side has many line segment. Each of the figures given along side has many line segment. For the almara, we have shown one line segment along the larger.
Shweta.
Identify and
Yeah.
mark all such line segments. in
Okay, sir. Okay,
Sir?
sir.
Sir, I will do in textbook, sir. Now.
Okay,
So first of all here, see if we observe this almara, see here at the edge of this almara.
yes, sir.
Sir, I will do, sir.
So we have to take that such type of line segments, and we have to.
Sir, I will already do, sir.
So will you do this problem homework?
Yes, sir.
So I will
No,
explain
sir, I am over, sir.
how to take this. You do at home. Suppose see, I am taking. See children, I am taking here. Observe carefully. I am locating the points. Now see, suppose here A,
Sir,
I am
I'm over,
locating
sir.
point A. Okay. Here this corner points you locate first. Okay. At this corner B I am locating. And here I am seeing C. And here I am
Sir, I
taking.
am over, sir.
Okay, children.
Sir,
Now, what line segments we get from this figure? Line segments.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Over, sir.
Let us see what line segments we get. First AB line segment.
Over, sir.
Okay. First AB line segment. Line segment AB.
Oh.
Next AB after AB
BD,
after BC.
BD, BC, BD,
BC also one line segment. No. BC after CD.
30 seconds.
B,
Okay. BC after CD.
Over, sir.
CD after DA.
AD,
You go in sequence order.
Hey.
Okay. DA after, and also we can show AC.
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
So first of all, we have to locate the points at the corners. Okay. See, on top corner I located the point A, and down
Sir.
B,
sir.
and here C, and here D.
Sir.
what's the homework?
So after this only homework, girl.
Okay, sir.
After
Okay, sir.
locating the points at the corners, now you write the line segment. See here.
Sir,
AC
sir,
That
is
is
the one line
homework, sir.
segment.
sir.
BC is one line segment. CD, DA, and AC.
Sir, fifth bit is over, sir.
Okay, some members are over already. Very good, children. So
Yes,
remaining
sir.
children, you locate the point. Suppose here, see, if we see this box, at this corner I am taking A. Here I am taking B. Here C. Here D.
C, D,
Okay,
E,
here E.
F,
Okay,
G,
and here F. Okay.
G,
And here this corner G. Again, is there corners?
No, sir.
Not there.
No,
no?
sir.
Now, so first CD,
Almara.
CD, DE, EF, FA, AG, GC, like that you write.
Ma'am.
Okay? So this is our homework, children. So locate the
Okay, sir.
corners and write the line segment. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, bye. Bye, sir.
Bye.